So the first thing I'm going to knock out real quick is replace this valve cover with this one, and the reason being, this is my PCV valve. It is built in, it is non-serviceable, and this is the updated design with the large window. That one has a hole in it, and I am getting some buildup because this port goes to here, and it's basically passing oily vapors into here, and it's dropping it in the manifold, and so I had a lot of oil build up. Also, this one from here to here, oil build up as well there. So we're gonna order a catch can Friday. We're gonna order some front wheels on Friday, some tires on Friday, and maybe a cam kit on Friday. So while we're at this point and we have 3 weeks, I think we're gonna be able to get the cam in there also. I'm gonna get some more chain and some rubber hose to go on the sides there so I don't scuff that up, and start getting this thing together. This all has to come back out so that I can put in the converter. But I also have to finish the transmission cooler, which I had to stop in the middle of that job and leave. Here's the old one with the little hole. There's the new one with the window. So it sucks I had to spend 75 bucks just to get a fresh PCV valve, but hopefully this one will work better, and we'll see if I can do anything with this old one. All right, so here's the ugly caliper with the broken bleeder right there, and here's our nice refurbished, like $30 one with a $5 core. I'll probably have to spend $5 just to ship that thing, but looks good. Let's go ahead and swap it out. Well, we got the passenger side on and bled. Got over here to the driver's side. Guess what? Same thing happened over here. Snapped right off. I just bled this side. Snapped off. So looks like we'll be ordering this one too. We're gonna go ahead and knock out a little easy fix real quick. When I ordered this shifter, it came with a 3-speed gate. Park. It should be reverse, neutral, third, second, first. Well, we have a 4-speed, so we ordered the 4-speed gate. All it does is replace it and gives you an extra detent. Here's my straggler fan shroud package. So this actually will fit the wide 940, not the radiator that I mistakenly ordered because it was in the section on Rock Auto with the other 940 radiators. This one's actually the 23.5 or 24-inch wide. The radiator I ordered was 18 because it's backwards compatible, which I don't want. So this came from STS Machining. It's got the little vent flaps for when you're going down the highway. These will kind of blow open and allow some cooling through. Whenever you stop, it'll allow the fan just to kind of pull air. But here it is. Got it in. Just got to get the right radiator now.